about you now to say?
Madam, me ho ye.
And I mean, see.
Mini na
AC na
but then fine. Nah. We dem me show.
Are the doctors name here?
Me and am hwem.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's fine.
If ready say we dem show.
Oh, yeah, self medication.
O said diclofenac near the wow to me me nom the topical spray and I'm bandages my bandage on my trousers now say.
Okay. I call walking you go finyezo.
As bon was a body in Iowa. The NHS on your feet, walking as I do with me and now that's what I was no you are born side by side.
And
yeah.
From Sokoban to Ahodo roundabout.
Yeah.
Then back to Sokoban.
Yeah.
Jinamusa.
But I know I don't try me Judy.
Ambulance man so but for me say masa me want danger Chelsea. But then no you're not Sokoban.
Yeah.
Kruno and
yeah.
Nkura twa Sokoban ho hye no amoya de pa. Mama yenua Fatilu nenim abanyam yedamase nyamenchamo.
I think the
mobile work no yefe.
Yeah, I think the senior worker now but Fatilu ni me din komo somewhere last week. So Jack ade no menye no nipa be 150 and 200. So Jack en twe be 50 be. So dey we on be ba o. That's it low. Only 50 ni 150
me drew Sokoban.
I was surprised too.
Crowd no.
Yeah, pleasantly I'm surprised now.
Come on.
Me catch Ayala about together me can say wow. They've shown a lot of love into
o ma chese o mo pet Fatilu
on behalf of Fatilu you be do mase.
Yeah.
Yes you buy no so no mo je feel so. Yes you da say.
Na good fellow na me dwen ho.
Ade.
No work we ya no sa ko fa flight.
Aye.
The concrete.
Good fellow too is he showed a lot of love. I mean say he came from Accra for.
Say no ho dey.
Yeah, a lot of the world.
Ho dey papa.
Accra be menti. I mean show bia. Yes, even us when more the marketing team from Accra that also came to pass through and Fatilu himself we are supporting Fatilu biaro. What say Nyami show. Baby our time I always see you sika. Nyami shemu mama o. On behalf of Fatilu me show on one bar. He will do it but then yes here dia ikiteni. Rich. This weekend any this week. And saying here you can't take betting and winning away from the game. And sometimes it is good. Sometimes it has to be managed. And that is why the BRC analysis now we want to add the tips to you. Teams are winning and people are making money. And then now there was a big boom for us. I Saturday the way we analysis and then we'll give you the codes to go and get some good wins. The amount what journey Nhyira TV. Please do that. Which just before I go on, so say the year no asu. Now YouTube the yearly recap. Then on Twitter. I share I say first Facebook about YouTube no. YouTuber top 5 near Nhyira TV. Okay. Top 5 no say Kenya sports like the problem with it I've been watching the Nhyira TV channel, but because of sports they do. It's news on Twitter, so we target. They kept on tagging us throughout the day. All of them means me phone here with the can pick up a bomb. Thank you to all of them, but to all of you, especially those that come from Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. No,
I mean, show
and you have been sure. Or your top 0.1% of those that watch Nhyira TV on YouTube.
Okay,
means that constantly he is here. Shano and we are sure say Bibi Abe come. Which we start for the Italian Serie A. Now Bibi Abe English Premier League no points no be. But how close it is in the Italian Serie A, we've not paid too much attention to it. Points no be. When you look at Milan, Napoli, Inter, Roma, Como, Bologna, Juve, Lazio, Udinese, and Sassuolo, which similar and close in terms of points. In fact, the points build up between the first team and team or that 7, any 7 just 5 points. Do that 7 just like the English Premier League. And sometimes, whilst you can credit the English Premier League for the difficulty of the competition. On the side of Italian Serie A, it's probably about the level playing field in terms of finances. Sikana said and also Obia kakra. Obia to told players now better on the same thing. In fact, the players that are in Milan are all French players from other clubs in other parts of Europe now. If you look at the Napoli team, same. They don't really buy stars, good players, young enough to want to play there. Same for Inter. Players that are getting into their 30s, later part of their career. Roma, you can say a younger team. Como, younger team. Bologna, same. And of course, Juventus. The managerial difference also make a huge tax. Now, this weekend, a big decider for all of the teams that were shown, including Napoli and Lazio. Then Juventus also game. Napoli and Juventus in a big game. The last time Napoli won the league before Antonio Conte came, it had taken them 100 years to be able to get there. No, not 100 years. I've seen the time of Diego Armando Maradona. And they managed to win under Luciano Spalletti. And Mbappe said, since then, for people like me who love the Italian Serie A, and I had say, maybe Inter will suffer, Napoli will suffer to win the league again. Until one of the specialists in winning leagues in Europe, Antonio Conte, came through and they did it. They did it without the regular stars and the names of Nisambao, Omuno Napoli, Luciano Spalletti, Jomo. Since then, Europe, Akoya Wishiwashi Kakra, the players of Mukoko Kevin De Bruyne Epra, Romelu Lukaku Epra, they've had to depend on David Neres, Noah Lang, Scott McTominay, Frank Andre Zombo Anguissa. All of these players are almost the best of the best over there to still compete and go in and get a win. On the side of Juventus, it is a project that started with Thiago Motta. Motta had qualified Bologna to go to the Champions League after 40 years. And Abentefen, Riccardo Calafiori, all of these young Italian players, everybody. People follow like, okay, from the days at Inter, and of course the coaching career at the youth stage at Paris Saint-Germain, Abentefen Thiago Motta had honed the job and understood what it takes to be a top manager. But he didn't fare well at Juve. I feel in my own analysis said, Juve for Gontone money who were not patient enough for Thiago Motta. He had to go. They had to go and bring in other coaches. All of them unsuccessful, and now they switch to my friend Luciano Spalletti. Now, Rich, if you trust coaches, you trust them at your own peril. Who is Luciano Spalletti? Edgy Napoli, Edgy League Review. Or see, or the Napoli Edgy League. On coach Italian club be a PM. Where we and coach Italian national team and a Djibouti. After the Djibouti by a fast. As I coach. Our year Juma. This is the possible lineup that we're expecting for Napoli. We're expecting Bongiorno, Rachmani, any Shimbui Kema, and of course goalkeeper Milinkovic Savic and that showed them. Oliveira, Scott McTominay, Marinucci, any Di Lorenzo, Noah Lang, David Neres, any Alberto Fernando, Rasmus Holland will lead the line for them. And so that the flamboyant Napoli side. But in the last few games, Noah Lang has been scoring, David Neres has been scoring. In the last game, in the Coppa Italia, almost qualified, but there was a draw in regulation time. Almost against a Juve team with Pierre Kalulu, Kelly, Chinko, Mianes, Locatelli, Thuram, Abedje Philippe Kostic, Weston McKennie, Francesco Conceição, Kenan Yildiz, and Abedje Loic Openda in there. Interesting game. I think at home, it's a good game that's going to produce more than a goal. So, an over 1.5 inside give me a very true. Now, Como has been on a good run. Okay, I see because 12 or 14 games that Como played under Church Fabregas, they have been playing well, they've been scoring, they have been unbeaten, Italian surrounding. But they are going to face their biggest test yet. That is going to be against Internazionale Milan, our Milan crew, which is going to be very interesting. I would say, said Fabregas before the game, and he was saying thank you to everybody. He was saying thank you to all the fans who will be with us tomorrow. Our supporters deserve to enjoy moments like this. They give us so much, and we want to give something back. We will go out there with a right mentality and ambition to play our game. We know we need to deliver a perfect performance, which is true, which Sekomo Betini Inter, unless the performance is perfect. Who's there?
Extra.
Yeah, media. My mama is also on Christian Kivu. Say at the beginning, I didn't give him the credits to go on, but he has proven me wrong. Where he's hovering around on Enyabad, 27 points, just 1 point off Napoli Mono. You will give him the credit. And I like the fact that he has done the similar things. Onim, Nasimoni Izagi, Akanji, Federico Acerbi, Abranche Fen Alejandro Bastoni, Diouf, Nicolo Barella, Klanoglu, Zielinski, and Abranche Fen Di Marco make the midfield 5, and of course up top Thuram and Abranche Fen Lautaro Martinez and a Ginemo Horum. I think that is also a game that Inter can win, but also the goals. Horum.
Bakofi, Fabregas here more about you.
Wait, say I feel no started.
No, he's doing marvelously well.
Or something of football.
Time I know Bobo no say.
Yeah.
I mean he's one of the best in the game.
Yeah.
But man, say Fabregas bet me 30 minutes say come.
Yeah.
At the head of the year. To be honest with you.
Thiago Motta say mo di Bologna yebi.
No, but come on, no. Last season, they are doing very well.
But Bologna, Thiago Motta di Bologna yebi.
No, me mom to be honest with you, are shocking me.
Akwa is Thomas Frank yebi. Woman the Tottenham and Afi akwa Diego. Yenyan to bas here. Did say Arsenal no be call there na to be back.
Oh, okay, I said my point. Ebia Akomo.
Yeah.
Pressure said then you
manage the thing.
Yeah. And also probably players,
young players,
exactly. So you can manage them.
So when it goes to the big club, we make it jump now. They will see truly sexy and good. What is doing is good.
Xabi Alonso did it.
But and then come here, but says Xabi Alonso, you can't see me. See, you're bad, sir.
Madrid first one, obviously, Liverpool in annoy.
Obama didn't fall. But no, yes, that was the good news, bio.
Okay.
That was the saying, same course between Vinny. A friend is saying, Xabi Alonso. Yesterday they sat down and they quashed it. Until now, everybody's in one boat. Sanana Mbappe, Eka Seomunyeno. Everybody's in tandem, one wavelength, and they will play for Madrid to get the winner. Which the Spanish La Liga is interesting. And then, when you say, Birayo never first game. Now, on that third, just 5 points off Football Club Barcelona. Now, Birayo game now, very interesting because if they get a 3 maximum points, which I think they will win, I think Villarreal are one of the teams that will win this weekend on Saturday. I'm certain of that. Some teams have 3 maximum points now. It puts them at a place where when Barca comes back to them, Madrid comes back to them, they can close in on them. I think Villarreal are playing very, very well this season. But Barcelona all 37 points, and of course, Tima, your friend Real Madrid, all 36 points, all Hodom, and it was a good time back. Ocean Madrid, Barca for training, and everything that was going to go on. Which Barca are playing against Real Betis at the La Cartuja. Now, last week, Betis and Sevilla elbow local rivalry, big one. Ramon Sanchez page 1. Betis won it. Former West Ham United manager Manuel Pellegrini moved away to go and beat them. Sevilla Cromon. Of course, all of them are in the Sevilla township. But then Ramon Sanchez page 1. They won that game. And Betis won also a very good team. The only thing is that they lack that consistency in Villarreal for them. So that's why Villarreal perform better than them and Atletico perform better than them. But Barca are going away to go and play there. Barca in the last few games have been very good, especially in the Spanish La Liga. I think this is one of the strongest tests for them. Although, according to the head-to-head, Barca find it easier when they go here. In the last few games, Barca have been very, very good travelers when they go away to La Cartuja. But again, I think it's on terms of current form and the kind of threats Betis want to make to media moment. This game is probably going to be a tighter one than it looks like according to the bookmakers and on paper. It's a very, very interesting. Now, Hansi Itaflex say, I believe my team, when we are united, everything works. So it looks as if Madrid neighbors and you'll be singing the same song. We'll be United, United. When Pedro is probably going to play second game, especially Juan Garcia, Szczesny, Balde, Kobasi, Christensen, Araumo are going to travel when it comes to the games. So on. This is the possible lineup that we're expecting to see from Football Club Barcelona. Juan Garcia, Gerardo Martin, Paul Kobasi, Jules Koundé, Balde, Eric Garcia, Pedri, Frankie de Jong, Lamine Yamal, Robert Lewandowski, and then Rafinha, and the Lady Lions. Last week, a word for Gerard Martin at left centre back, and he's a natural. I was I remember one time after the show, Mika said Barca will need a natural left-footed centre back because it's important in a modern game, and the way Hans Philippe was born a ball. Some Barca fans say, then we don't need it. If you are right, you can play on the left. But Gerard Martin in that area looks much more comfortable than even Christensen because the angles favor him and he's able to progress the ball better. Pedri, back into the team, and we're expecting a midfield of Eric Garcia, Pedri, and Frankie de Jong. I think Barca have a high chance of winning this. But either team to win on over 1.5 just to avoid any form of shockers, no, is a very good bet if you want to hedge and protect your money. Then Madrid will play Nhyira Mochina at the Santiago Bernabeu. I'm playing Vigo in an interesting game where Madrid will want to return back to winning ways. Which Madrid will against Celta. If we were going away to Celta, I would have been worried for Madrid. Because Madrid themselves are not good travelers this season. Plus, when they go away to that ground, it's not too much of a good place for them. Madrid at home is good. Again, I think that Madrid for now have gotten the arrival or the return of Abrache Feno, Antonio Rudiger at the right time. Because we say our leadership not only your partners, so sometimes it was probably going to affect them in terms of game management. Antonio Rudiger provides the calm head in the team that guides the younger players, and the many stars are our partners when they did the last time. Trent Alexander-Arnold out of this game because he was injured, by Franco Mastantuono back in it together to Branche Feno. Jude Bellingham, which is a very good one for them. I think it's a game where Football Club Real Madrid wins it. Yeah. Atletico Madrid are quite away to San Mamé.
Bebao.
Bebao no de enye. I don't know yeka. Enye away home baby enye. And Atletico Madrid traditionally also thrive over them. But again, I suspect that there's going to be game back where shock even in the Spanish La Liga. I will not be surprised if it is this game. And it's another game where I will hedge. I'd rather go for the goals that I'm setting off, or Atletico Madrid double chance. So I need that team to win on 1.5, which I think will be much more better, and it give me the comfort to wait till enumerate to see if any of the games now can win. I would love that. Which last week, na Nkofobi Obi say Gary Neville. No, say Arsenal, we need the games against Brentford and Chelsea. It's an automatic win for the English Premier League for them. I think that he forgot to add Aston Villa. If Arsenal are able to beat Aston Villa, it puts them in a much more better position. Yes, a 38 game league. After about 13, 14 of the games, just a few game weeks spending about. It's not enough, just about 1/3. There's too much left to jump into conclusion. But again, it's able to paint a picture for you to see maybe a league, echo. And that's it. The early kickoff today is Arsenal versus Aston Villa.
Tough game. Very, very tough.
You don't even have to say it. Very, very tough.
Because when I'm in any team, no form, no mafani.
Yeah.
I'm not starting.
Yeah.
But it seems you're quite a team ni picky.
Exactly.
They are doing so well.
Exactly. Now the team is playing very, very well. Now, the interesting thing of the English Premier League is that make sure in the Italian Serie A, there is the point clamp up or up top area. No? In the English Premier League, from Obi or that 4th, any 14th, 5 points when they separate you. And it's the Manchester United fans who are confident and say, Nanyaya come here through Chelsea forward champions, the 4 points pay. Nya Eko Kosu na 1 point pay. So between Chelsea, Crystal Palace, Sunderland, Brighton, Man United, Liverpool, and Everton, just 4 points are in between these clubs. What it means is that the way fixtures ever taken fast, you can't afford to be dropping points. Who dropping points, baby, you'll be in trouble. And then other team will be sound. And they can last week say, a time way and a team. Because the statistics in now about December, January, February. Now if you want to action, and then you are gone. And this is where teams would have to be very, very careful. We'll start at Villa Park. Which I have 2 questions for you in this game. Is this game going to be hinged on midfielder now? Villa tend to have some of the good midfielders. Wow, we need Morgan Rogers as a 10. And then number 10 or Timmy Ebo as an 8. The one thing he works hard off the ball, on the ball, and the physicality, we need ball in the back. But again, also the intelligence on the ball and the technical strength. Again, FIIFI and Boubacar Kamara Shaho. They have Amadou Onana. They have Yuri Tilima. And people always forget, but John McGinn for me is the most important midfielder. Whether he plays as a fullback or as a midfielder or Villa team, he's one of the most difficult players to deal with. About ball but ball now.
But how they compare the Arsenal midfield there?
Arsenal
midfield
without Declan Rice. Whoever said Mikel Arteta, the last game, no, there was a story that Declan Rice most likely doesn't feature in this game.
Is it confirmed?
Mikel Arteta, friend is in a pre-match press and now.
Yeah.
He didn't want to give so much, but again, he
didn't confirm so we're praying now pride.
No.
Okay, so
in the last game that they played,
they mean that Aston Villa number.
Yeah, Onone Mosquera, they had gotten injured in the last game that they played.
But I mean, I feel still Arsenal midfield no ahead of Aston Villa.
Martin Ibanez will be mending. Yeah. It means that Mikel Merino will be back to the midfield.
Sure. So no more so
I don't.
But I ba kon free game.
Yeah.
The Una Emery factor no.
Yeah.
Una Emery no kuta Arsenal pay.
No, but see call to watch you call. But Mika say there's still the
midfield there still now I feel Arsenal befa.
Zubimendi Merino. So is he going to play Miles Lewis Kelly? Okay, Odegaard is back. So maybe you play Zubimendi Merino, two Sociedad boys in the middle, and play Odegaard or maybe start Eze as a 10. So that's going to the Aston midfield.
Sure.
Whilst Lucas Aston Villa will come with Amadou Nana, John McGinn, and Morgan Rogers.
Onana what can I
And yes, I'm about saying I'm talking about the collective. Individuals, no pay.
And I say offer player for player midfielder. Arsenal the no so.
But this is the same midfielder we had Arsenal in the last few seasons.
This is a different Arsenal.
No, but it was the same Arsenal with Rice.
I know, but we say Arsenal team we. What do you mean fan compare last season 2 seasons ago? But it's a complete team.
No, it's not.
And we need how to manage and get the result.
Okay, but it's not completely different in terms of personnel. But you're saying that it's completely different how to manage and play the game. Great, but so do you think that Arsenal win the game automatic of Villa Park?
Difficult game, but Arsenal win.
Straight win for
very difficult, but Arsenal win. Game of Arsenal and draw that.
Arsenal doesn't win this game for me. Yeah, these are the games that Arsenal will not win. Arsenal will not be perfect throughout the season.
Games be saying Arsenal show Bobreno.
Oh,
I'm sure we are seeing as this season is our season.
No, teams like Chelsea and Arsenal.
I know Unai Emery also only Arsenal for no unfinished business. We will feel so moment to here. Time obeje Arsenal.
Oh, Arsenal results thing. How much in here no.
No, only feel says Arsenal for man time.
Yeah.
They said on Mama Mikel Arteta time now.
But at the beginning, Mikel's results were there. Mikel won the FA Cup at the beginning, and you could tell say all progressing. Only Unai Emery results in you. Unai Emery is a good coach, but Arsenal didn't work. Maybe there are things that I don't.
This is the time of person catch Arsenal for say. If you say come on time.
Oh, that's what I saw 2 seasons ago.
So I saw twice. And me so I'm the Belgian league. That makes the game a bit banana skin.
It's not a bit banana skin. It's a proper banana skin.
Aston Villa team. I'm not for fun, but I'm saying Arsenal.
Now yes, that season only Arsenal side, right?
I know that Chelsea my Arsenal team no. Look, who said this season? Me say Arsenal game back gra. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Go for no team rough.
Interesting.
Omo team pa.
Incredible.
Enti no mu jam shame no.
Arsenal when you jam. Arsenal jam. That's what
I dey tell you about. It's about boy bi ni.
And
you look to refresh. Me twemi.
Arsenal jam Chelsea.
Akwa ho atoro.
Arsenal jam Chelsea.
Mu jam maza. Omu jam.
Mary Charles and say I was to 2 any reason. Arsenal jam Chelsea. Arsenal jam Chelsea. We have played Arsenal with 10 men.
Away.
Against Stamford Bridge. 10 man here is 1 Arsenal wabeti.
Any question say?
1-1. Until no any ladies on enjoy them on Ojai.
Who gave me a ball 1-1 at the chin when you serious?
Because we are but no see it in Arsenal. No, but say through Kawa. Arsenal be some the same thing how can Villa matching. Any nya red cards and the ball draw. And when you reach say nya wo be card nya na cause park so. Park no boni.
I'm from Molis.
Also I was for Everton. And I Everton with the team. For West Ham. Team West Ham. Wa nya na can say. What do you see from Daniel? What are they moving by Western Vatican?
To me, they make me.
On the one day we are showing how
we are doing move you.
We are buying another one.
I'm sure it's going to one. I'm going to take me. But in fact, in your game in Nana, I knew. Say a second go probably in 90 minutes and go on the better.
Villa, we need almost 8. Out of my last 9 matches, so Liverpool put a show. So, like all of us are saying, it's going to be a difficult game. Okay. Christian Mosquera is out. The injury list keeps on getting longer. we'll wait to see if the clan confirmed to also be out of side game now. If it's not, it means that we will still have the clan Rise Zubimendi as a midfield 3, Amadou Nana, Boubacar Kamara, Louis Telemann, and John McGinn is going to be in there in a game that's going to be very interesting. Which a match waiting and a year me yapa when Enzo Maresca did not maximize the opportunity he had against Leeds United. I felt Leeds were much more beatable than Bournemouth. Two teams now have a similar record in the last 5 games. But you see, it's Christmas, and me, I know my Chelsea. For the Christmas, send me on there. Anyone wants a Chelsea at least 3 points. Was I check Bournemouth 3 points? And that is the worry. That is why for me, going into the Leeds game, we should have taken it more seriously. I do not understand why I started with Malo Gusto. Even if he's always arrested Risa, play Gusto. Not about Chaloba anybody, and I said Chaloba any a champion. That would have given us a better chance. But now in this game, it means that everybody will come in. And Enzo Maresca say Wesley Fofana is ready to play 1 game a week. I mean, it's one more Leeds match or Bournemouth match. I think it's similar also for our branch friend Reece James, and Reece is going to be back. You are nominated for player manager of the month of November. I think Maresca is going to win the month of November. I also think either Igor Jesus, Igor Thiago, and as our branch friend Reece James, all of them will win the player of the month also there.
If you wait there for pass, minimum say time no but I mean you're a Chelsea fan.
Yeah.
Until I start this question. Mathieu Enzo Maresca all cast is were confused.
Yeah.
Confused in the sense that
did you listen to that he said?
Yeah, I've listened.
Okay, because me say you say Andy can I have not heard it.
Now all cast.
Although my share the whole
only because say on your rotation Chelsea it seems result number.
Okay, so I think that he is the part of the pre-matcher. Journalists we can be sir Enzo say John Terry akọ video.
Yeah.
Now John Terry criticized say yes sasa.
Yeah.
And on can say the confusion that he's talking about is say you players no arrest you on bepra.
Yeah.
Arrest you on so arrest you on so na team lose because
now this is my question.
Yeah.
Now you move on in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
And raise eyebrow say Chelsea best spend over 1 billion.
Yeah.
Now coach didn't mean rotation because coach in now team no so.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
Enti ana yense sana no mo munya bi mo no. Omo so ntimi mabo game ni bi.
Yeah.
So Chelsea ntimi nya sa dia. Now my question is then that over 1 billion I'm spending here no. As a question kakra.
Oh yeah, I think it does. Obia raises that question a legitimate question.
Because Arsenal my Arsenal games are sometimes Mikel Arteta 4 or 5 changes. Arsenal will continue to win.
You see again, you can't compare. Anytime I'm about one, he raises question. Why should the next time we have a question? I make them work and watch them.
Yeah, I'm
Baby, how I think so. Sometimes and you will
it's a legitimate question.
I mean, yeah, no. Also, over all the control side. I mean, yeah, no. Who will not be trolling and we're trolling me. Yeah, me can say. Who the Arsenal Bournemouth and because Arsenal have been doing this for 7 to 8 years. Arsenal have chopped and changed. They probably might have spent less, but then more players in terms of going in and coming out. Again, my question for me, if you discuss 1 billion without the context of Antonio Rudiger or free Chelsea, Messi Mount or Pesoko, Kai Havertz that wanted to go, Jorginho's contract extension, and go to Conte, you are not being fair to the club. But again, on the surface level, yes, because why do you spend 1 billion and Disasi at baby 8 minutes and 21?
And it was Chelsea.
So why did you buy him
in the first place?
And then Akotonese is not good enough. But you see at the beginning, because the owners need buying and always said any baby almost the kind of for Graham Potter started buying certain players. Go for Pochettino.
Naguano.
Graham Potter. So on the coaches Sweden for national team. The first game you're born at 4. Alexander Isak when you first match you're born 9. But Graham Potter can't get to you come and lose me Graham Potter. I go my business.
Ready young go. The certificate go down way. One of the man.
Man in bad so. You Graham Potter Ten Hag before.
Why?
Graham Potter Ten Hag.
Omienu.
Aye.
You know.
This is a game that Enzo Maresca should try and win.
Okay.
Because Bournemouth is a good side at home. But on the form, they've lost some key players. So Bournemouth, I think Chelsea should win this game. Although in all of my slips, I've said it, I'm in fact Chelsea come and slips at home because I don't want to add any emotional attachment to Sika. So I need that team to win on over 1.5 if you still want to put it inside. I'm certain that there are going to be goals in there. Torian Moss will bet Nefia against Brentford. I think Newcastle will bet Nefia against Burnley. Man City will bet Nefia against Sunderland. It's not going to be a straightforward game, but I'm expecting to see my friend in Manchester City Ebenya an important win against Sunderland. Also matching all those Sunderland are giant slayers. I think City and Sunderland are either team to win on 1.5. Right. Liverpool are quite away to Leeds United also. The last time I'm about draw LFA, I believe that Liverpool in this game, Leeds United match, it's a game where goals will come. It is not a game where maybe a lot of straight win about Liverpool, but maybe the goals about each and now go for this car. Makani say usually when people come to you, they catch yourself face goals near the maybe. So please do not listen to them. Just religiously stick the quotes. Trust me. They be making the same way. There are times where one bet 80 say all the 5 quotes, and you really mean that because in my mind, Obisika. And the Liverpool game was example. The next day, 3 solid quotes won. Okay. On Friday it was good. Thursday they've won. I think that you are going to be on a streak from now till there Saturday. Don't miss out. Quotes, over interactive, you are able to make your screenshots, but also. First one, maybe Obama already so a BW26D3DC2A. That is the first one. Second one, a BW26D36A71. Third one, a BW26C95360. Fourth one, a BW26C93E9D. And the last one, a BW26C91E69. H. Medas in Yamisha.
Kofi, a tear for a Dawasipa no pay